Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 2.3, simple ways of entering text data. Text entries, most worksheets also include text in some of the cells. Text can serve as data, for example, a list of employee names, labels for values, headings for columns, or instructions about the worksheet. If you type 12 employees or 12 items or 12 anything non-number related, they're going to be looked at in terms of text rather than a numeric value. The way you differentiate the two is numbers will generally lie to the right of the active cell. Text will offset to the left. For example, we put 13, the number goes to the right. If we put text, notice it's to the left. Now you can reorganize or lay this out differently up here on your layout, but initially as you enter, just so you can recognize the difference, text is always to the left, numeric is to the right. Formulas can be simple mathematical expressions, or they can use some of the powerful functions that are built in Excel. Figure 2.1 shows an Excel worksheet set up to calculate, in this case, total amount of merchandise. Here we have order numbers that are recognized as numbers. Go up here to general, and that will give you a pretext of what this particular category is. Shirt, all right, you can go up here and you know that non-calculable. So that's a text, and here's a number, here's a formula, here's another formula, and we just have notes here, amount. You can see here amount listed, and I just have recognized as D5, D13. And this is a table. It should be listed up here. You can see it's amount 106. So if I want to do some calculations, and this is a little early here in terms of understanding what all this means, I'm using the actual range name in this calculation, and you could see amount 106. That's recognized up here as in the name. Amount 106. Amount 106. I also use this same range name throughout. So we'll talk about what that means down the road. But here we have text across the top. We have numbers down the bottom. We have text down this particular column, column E, and we also have numbers down column F.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime.